Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these heavy duty walkable floor vents. These are a 2-pack. They are 4 by 10 inch by Rocky Mountain Goods. So today we got our floor vents. This one here is by Rocky Mountain Ridge. This one here is a 2-pack, so you do get 2-pack. I needed to replace a few of mine in my house. So these are 4 inches by 10 inches. These are for the floor. You can also use, if you have vents inside your ceilings, you can replace with these ones. These are high grade metal, used with allows for walking on floors, so you don't got to worry about them bending or breaking. Their premium matte white finish is double coated to ensure that the color for its lifetime of use. It is easy to adjustable the levels, allowing a quick charge off flow, which can be even done by your foot, so you can change them by your foot. The actual floor register outlet dimensions are a 5.5 inch by 11.5 inch. These are super nice. I like the fact that they are already painted white. So right here, because they are so new, it's a little bit harder to move them, but after a while, once you start moving them up and down, they should be a lot looser. But these ones are super nice. I like the fact that you do get 2, so I needed to replace 2 vents in my house, so this is the one I came across. They look really nice. They're very good quality. You don't have to worry about them bending or breaking if you stand on them or if you walk on them. So right now I'm just going to go and close this one up, and I'm going to go open up the second one. And once I open up the second one, I'm just going to go and replace the one in my bathroom, and I have another one that is in my hallway, but that one I will just wait to do later. But we're going to go ahead and open up the second one. So we're just going to remove the plastic. So this one here, they come wrapped together, but then inside the wrapping, they come separately wrapped. So each one of them is wrapped in their own little plastic, so you don't got to worry about them scraping or rubbing against each other. So you can see right here at the bottom it has a cardboard, so it basically protects the bottom so it doesn't scratch the other one. So that's why it's basically packaged separately, so there's no damage to them. So this one again is a little bit harder to open, so you can open it from the bottom. The more you use it, the more you get it moving, and it becomes easier over time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my bathroom and I'm going to replace the old one with this brand new one. So you can see this one here is supposed to be a rustic look. This one here is very rustic. It is also rusty. So what I'm going to do is replace this one. It's super easy to replace. All you got to do is take the other one off, lift it up, pop this one in here, open this, and it is super easy. In fact, when I had the heater on, because it was quite cold the other day, you can see what this one looks like compared to this one. It actually is really nice. It pumped out a lot of heat in there. This is super nice. If you're looking for some floor vents or vents that actually go up in your ceiling, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. You do get a 2-pack, so if you need more, you could purchase separate 2-packs. This is a very nice set.